Welcome to Gentle Tai Chi for Active Aging. Just 10 minutes a day of these gentle movements will soothe your back and shoulders. You'll feel lighter, more flexible, and full of energy. Let's start with gentle arm circles to relieve back pain. Take a break, relax your body, and breathe smoothly. Next movement. Step into a gentle lunge and push your hands forward. Keep your back leg comfortably straight. Inhale as you draw back. Exhale as you push to burn belly fat. Take a break. Relax your spine and shoulder muscles. Next movement. Cross your arms overhead to make a wide circle, stretching softly to the side. Breathe in as you open up. Breathe out as you relax. This deepens your breathing and soothes spine discomfort. Take a break. Let your breath flow naturally. Next movement. Lunge forward, then gently lower your back knee. Smoothly alternate sides. Inhale to prepare, exhale to slowly lower down. This builds safe lower body strength and burns calories. Take a break. Shake out your legs comfortably. Next movement. Swing your arms gently while rising softly onto your toes. Inhale as you lift up, exhale as you glide down. This improves balance, eases tension, and promotes blood circulation. Take a break. breathe in deeply and let go of stress. Next movement. Raise your arms and swing them down smoothly while extending one leg straight forward. Inhale as your arms reach up, exhale as you release. This releases stiffness and gently tones your core. Take a break. Next movement. Step softly to the side and circle your arms gently. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower comfortably. This releases back stiffness and helps burn belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Smoothly lift your arms up, then tilt your head gently back as they lower. Inhale lifting up, exhale lowering down. It relieves neck tension and soothes your spine. Take a break. Next movement. Gently lower into a comfortable squat while lifting your arms smoothly. Inhale as you rise, exhale as you softly sink down. This gently tones your core and soothes back pain. Take a break. Next movement. Softly swing your arms one at a time in a smooth rhythm. Breathe naturally and comfortably. This movement relaxes shoulder muscles and gently burns belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Gently twist your waist while softly stretching one arm upward at a time. Inhale as you reach up, exhale to relax. It smoothly trims the waistline and relieves spine tension. Take a break. Next movement. Smoothly lift one knee while softly sweeping your arms downward. Inhale as the knee rises, exhale as you step down comfortably. This gently boosts fat burn and relaxes the lower back. Take a break. Next movement. Gently stretch to both sides while lifting your arms straight up. Inhale as you reach high, exhale to release comfortably. This softly relieves back pain and helps burn belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Open your chest smoothly while stepping one foot comfortably backward. Inhale as you expand, exhale to relax forward. This posture soothes spine discomfort and boosts fat burn. Take a break. Next movement. Gently twist your waist, moving your straight arm smoothly up and down. Inhale as one arm raises, exhale as it lowers softly. This releases back stiffness and trims your waistline. Take a break. Next movement. Slowly turn your upper body left and right, letting your arms softly swing to pat your shoulders. Breathe naturally and relax completely. It safely eases spine tension and promotes circulation. Take a break. Next movement. Smoothly lift one knee, then drop your foot softly backward while swinging your arms downward. Inhale as you reach high, exhale to release comfortably. This gently builds balance and soothes spine tension. Take a break. Next movement. Gently reach one arm overhead, stretching your side waist softly. Breathe in as you lengthen your body. Breathe out as you relax. This releases lower back pain and helps burn belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Step into a comfortable lunge and circle your arms slowly. Inhale to open your chest. Exhale to transition smoothly. It safe-proofs your joints and gently boosts overall fat burn. Thank you for practicing today. If you enjoyed this gentle Tai Chi session, please subscribe, like, and comment below.